Guys, we are door dashing in the snow. It is way too cold, too windy. Snow's coming down to do any siding. Now we're slipping and sliding. So, hello. We're door dashing in the snow today. And man, it's coming down. This is Wichita, Kansas. So, visibility is limited, but we are in town driving slow. It'll be okay. We're gonna see what we can do door dashing instead of siding houses. I'll keep you updated with the comparisons. Over and out. Yeehaw! Wichita, Kansas. February the 18th. Big snowstorm came in. Doing about 45 miles an hour on Kellogg. Yes, ma'am. Here comes the snowplow. Woo, it's getting bad. It's gonna get worse and worse, they said. We're gonna see. Dangerous road conditions, guys. Don't be out here if you don't have to. We're just dashing in the snow.